Slide 13, development of the tongue. Item 1. The tongue is derived from the first through fourth brachial arches. At the end of the fourth week, a median swelling, also termed median tongue bud, appears in the floor of the primitive pharynx, just rostral to the foramen secum. Item 2. Formation of lateral tongue buds from the proliferation of the ventromedial first brachial arches. This is followed by a pair of lateral lingual swellings, also termed distal tongue buds, that arise from the proliferation of the ventromedial first brachial arches on each side of the median swelling. Item 3. The distal tongue buds rapidly grow and fuse to form the anterior two-thirds of the tongue, while the median tongue bud atrophies and forms no recognizable part of the adult tongue. Item 4. The posterior one-third develops from the copula formed by the ventromedial part of the second brachial arches, caudal to the foramen secum, and the hypopharyngeal eminence, formed caudal to the copula from the ventromedial part of the third and fourth brachial arches. As the embryonic tongue further develops, the copula atrophies and disappears. Item 5. The general mucosal sensory innervations of the anterior two-thirds of the tongue, derived from the first arch, are often the lingual branch of the trigeminal nerve, the nerve of the first brachial arch, the caudal tympanic branch of the facial nerve, the nerve of the second brachial arch supplies the taste buds of the anterior two-thirds of the tongue, except the valate papillae. Item 6. The glossopharyngeal nerve, the nerve of the third brachial arch, supplies the taste buds in the valate papillae and most of the posterior one-third of the tongue mucosal surfaces. The superior laryngeal branch of the vagus nerve, the nerve of the fourth brachial arch, innervates a small patch of the tongue mucosal surface anterior to the epiglottis. Item 7. All intrinsic and extrinsic tongue muscles, with the exception of the palatoglossus muscles, are supplied by the hypoglossal nerve. The palatoglossus muscle is supplied by the pharyngeal plexus fibers from the vagus nerve.